Hey fans, welcome back. Get ready for an epic reveal of the most awesome gadgets you've got to see. In this video, we're diving into the latest and greatest tech that will blow your mind. Join us as we explore every cool detail of these must-have gadgets that are guaranteed to leave you speechless. Circle Guitar, a groundbreaking creation by London-based designer Anthony Dickens. This unique instrument is already making waves, with many calling it a potential game-changer in the music world. Shaped like a circle, the Circle Guitar features a mechanical disc under its strings. This rotating disc creates a variety of sounds and rhythms that go beyond what a standard electric guitar can achieve. With 128 holes for picks, the disc strikes the strings as it turns, generating dynamic musical effects. What truly sets the Circle Guitar apart is its versatility. Musicians can program the rotating disc with different colored picks to control the strength of each strike. Additionally, each string sound can be individually amplified, recorded, and processed, offering endless creative possibilities. Players can even mute strings with their fingers, adding another layer of expression. Introducing the Gleed 2-in-1 Kit, the ultimate tool for DIY enthusiasts that combines convenience and versatility. This innovative screwdriver set features both an electric screwdriver and an extended ratchet, along with over 30 standard bits and a 180 degrees rotating converter to handle any task you throw at it. The electric screwdriver, powered by a rechargeable battery, effortlessly drives screws into wood, metal, and plastic. Meanwhile, the extended ratchet, with its flexible 12-inch shaft, easily reaches tight spaces, making it perfect for both simple DIY projects and complex repairs. Meet the Mifa Tango, a compact Bluetooth speaker that truly delivers. Despite its small size, this portable powerhouse boasts robust performance, encased in a tough silicone exterior with a stylish hook for easy carrying on the go. Its rugged design is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, making it perfect for all your outdoor adventures. The Mifa Tango isn't just about amazing sound. It also features a dimmable flashlight with an SOS mode, ready to light your way during unexpected escapades. With an impressive 25-hour battery life, it keeps the music going all day and night. Plus, with true wireless stereo and multi-sync technology, you can pair two speakers for a stereo effect or link up to 100 speakers for a massive sound experience. Hang it anywhere effortlessly and let the music follow you wherever you roam. Meet Bonding, the superhero of your toolkit. This isn't your run-of-the-mill adhesive. It's a UV liquid plastic welder that can fix almost anything. Whether it's plastic, fabric, metal, rubber, or even glass, Bonding has you covered. Unlike regular glue that dries out, Bonding stays liquid until you cure it with UV light. So whether you're repairing a cracked heirloom or giving new life to your favorite shades, Bonding is your go-to for quick, reliable fixes. Introducing AutoSet, a game-changer for medical professionals dealing with impacted earwax. If you've ever experienced the discomfort of earwax buildup, you know the need for an effective solution. AutoSet is designed to safely and efficiently remove earwax with professional care. Millions of Americans suffer from impacted earwax, leading to hearing loss and discomfort. AutoSet simplifies the process by gently directing a fluid solution into the ear canal to break down the wax. At the same time, a gentle suction mechanism removes the dissolved wax and fluid, all in just 35 seconds with the push of a button. The best part? It's painless and completely safe, offering a gentle alternative to traditional ear cleaning methods. However, AutoSet is intended for use by trained medical professionals and is not recommended for personal use. Experience the Micro Hovercraft, a creation that brings excitement to a whole new level, quite literally just a bit off the ground. Dreamed up by a passionate Japanese inventor, this pint-sized hovercraft promises a thrilling ride. Forget about the usual hovercrafts cruising on water. This one's made for gliding over solid ground, almost like floating in midair. It's small, light, and easy to handle, perfect for solo adventures. And guess what? You can even put one together yourself using everyday stuff like bike parts. Sure, it might not tackle rough waters or wild landscapes, but it's a champ on smoother surfaces like roads and sidewalks. Picture zooming through parking lots or even weaving through indoor spaces, though that might turn some heads. So, if you're itching for an adventure like no other, round up your pals and let the micro hovercraft take you for a ride. Introducing flip fans. These aren't your average diving fins. While regular fins are perfect for swimming, they're a bit of a hassle on land. Strapping them on before a dive, not exactly a walk in the park, and strolling around with fins feels like attempting an ice dance routine in flippers. Awkward, to say the least. But here's the hero of the day, flip fans. These nifty fins come in two pieces with a smart hinge that lets them fold, turning land walking into a walk in the park. When it's time to dive, just give them a nudge, and they snap right back into action. Easy peasy. But wait, there's more. Flip fans aren't just about convenience. They're top performers too. Their special blades make swimming a breeze, saving your energy so you can focus on the underwater wonders. When you think of car tourism, the classic camper van probably comes to mind. But let's steer in a different direction and talk about something fresh, the Cloudbreak tent. Alpha Motors, a California-based company famous for its electric cars, has unleashed something exciting. Say hello to the Wolf, a pickup truck that's not only electric, but also tough enough to handle any terrain. With its robust electric motor and solid suspension system, it's made for adventure while keeping your carbon footprint low. But here's the twist. Combine the Wolf with the Cloudbreak tent, and you've got yourself a full-on mobile expedition camp. This tent is a breeze to set up and pack away, perfect for those spur-of-the-moment camping trips. And its clever design ensures stability even when the wind kicks up, making it the ultimate partner for all your outdoor adventures. Whether you're hitting the trails or blazing your own path, the Cloudbreak tent has your back. Get ready for a total game changer in the world of drink carriers. C3 Custom Coolers. With the C3, your tailgates, camping trips, and backyard bashes are about to hit a whole new level of coolness. And trust me, your buddies will be seriously impressed. This isn't your run-of-the-mill cooler. It's big enough to stash over 24 cans of frosty beverages, and it cruises around your party like a pro, making sure everyone stays refreshed. But here's the real kicker. You can customize it to match your vibe, whether you're all about trucks, SUVs, or even Zamboness. Just picture rolling up to your shindigs with this bad boy. It's sure to inject a ton of fun into your gatherings. Introducing the Bullet Ant 2.0 by Me tool, an absolute game changer in the realm of pens. In today's world, a pen does way more than just scribble. It's a versatile multi-tool, and this one kicks it up a notch. Crafted from titanium, this multi-tool pen is your ultimate sidekick. It's not just for jotting notes. It boasts a bolt action bit driver for quick fixes and a window breaker tip for self-defense. Plus, it's got a magnetic slot for 2 bits, including a tough S2 alloy tool steel bit.